Today, 14th of September, and we're gonna cut our watermelon. Okay, go, cut. I have little helper here. Yeah, we're gonna wash it. Let's go and wash it.
Yeah.
Okay, wash.
Wash.
Grab it. Ah, you need to go like this. Wash.
Wash.
Okay, let's see how much is weight. Almost 1 pound. That's interesting. Yeah, let's cut it and try it. Oh, it's red. Cool. And I see a lot of seeds there. It's actually from seedless watermelon. Okay. That's pretty good. It's sweet. It has sugar in it. Cool. I collected 14 seeds from this small watermelon. I'm gonna plant it, but it's already September. I'm thinking it's kind of too late to plant them. So it's better to start late spring or early spring to avoid frost. And of course, watermelon does not like cold winter. Thank you for watching.